Breaking overnight, utility poles and street lights were ripped down after a truck plowed into power lines in Seattle. It happened around 11 last night. Cairo 7's Ranji Sinha is out there this morning on Dexter Avenue taking a look at the cleanup. Ranji.
And Tracy, Dexter Avenue remains closed as this cleanup continues. You can see the police tape, crime scene tape right here, closing off this intersection, Dexter and Roy, but it's actually closed from Mercer all the way up to Valley. Now take a look across the street. You can see crews working over there. That's where the pole came down. At one point, the pole was across that crosswalk. Now you can see them digging a hole. There is one utility pole on the ground. A replacement pole appears to be on the truck, and they're trying to get this work done. The power lines also are down in this area, draped in the roadway. And if you take a look over here on the near corner, close to where we're standing, you can see frayed power lines and other lines, and then replacement lines being strung up on this pole. So they're trying to get this all back up, cleaned up, because there was a traffic signal attached to one of these poles. Right now there is no traffic signal, so they're trying to get it working again and trying to make sure that they can get traffic through here once they reopen this road. But there is a process that is going on right here, and it's going to be a while since this gets taken care of. There is a pole actually towards the middle of the block as well. They've managed to get that down, but at one point that was leaning across the roadway and power lines were sagging in the street. So a major cleanup underway. We're going to expect traffic impacts over the next hour because it doesn't look like they're going to get this open soon. So this will have an impact on the early morning rush. We're already starting to see traffic build on Mercer. If you want to take a look over there, you can see traffic starting to build for this early morning section of the rush. So we're going to continue to monitor the situation out here. We're going to show you all the latest and try to tell you when this reopens right here on Cairo 7. For now, live in South Lake Union. Let's throw it back to you in the studio.